welcome to Sojo Videos. My name is Joan, and in this video, you guys are going to be moving in with me. Currently, I'm in the process of moving into my new place, starting my master's in physical therapy at UBC. I've barely started moving stuff in, trying to get new things, and also at the same time, room makeover, because look at all the freedom we have. Everything is barren, empty, and that means it is an opportunity to make this room really mine. I've actually used painter's tape to mark off where I want certain pieces of furniture to go. We walk in, closet here. I'm hoping to have one of my bookshelves here, bed, desk, and potentially another bookshelf here. And that is the essential layout for furniture in this room. But yeah, now that that's actually mapped out, it's time to do the actual moving in. First things first, I'm hoping to build all of the furniture that I need. Second thing we're gonna be doing is fully organizing. And then the last step is gonna be decorating, full-on room makeover. And that will essentially finalize my move-in and bring my room all together. So let's get started. I bought some new IKEA furniture, so we're gonna build and get ready what we can. Got another package to unbox. This one I'm very excited for. We basically have some floor lights. I have dreamed of having nice aesthetic lighting in my room, so let's see if they are good. Lights, faces. Okay. Oh my gosh, look! Can I get a good corner of the room illuminated? Can you guys see the vision? Look at that! Look at that! Now that we finished bookshelf, it's time for the bed. Oh, yeah. I'm trying to figure out my storage situation and trying to organize things now because the day after moving, I start my master's in physical therapy, graduate school. And I will literally have no time to unpack afterwards. So I kind of need to get started now. My whole issue with things is storage solutions. I have a lot of stuff and not a lot of room to put it. As of right now, what I'm dealing with, I got some storage space up top. I got some storage space on the bottom. I need it for clothes, for my YouTube stuff, for any other memorabilia things that I have. I'm hoping to use this utility cart for art supplies and things like maybe my makeup, things I just need to grab right away, as well as some under the bed storage. So I think I should get started on trying to organize stuff now. Today is D-Day, and look at what we got moved in. Move-in day officially and we essentially have to move in and almost unpack everything before I start school tomorrow. So we are unpacking like crazy. We've got all our furniture basically moved in. Room decoration as our last little thing. Hopefully we'll be good to go.